You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I know it's very confusing because it comes from French originally, or Anglo-Norman French, and yeah, very confusing, but it's used in law. It's a legal term. If you want to learn more of these confusing legal terms, stay tuned. Where more you need to learn from. Mean is how it's pronounced in English. It's actually very easy once you know, so forget about the S. You know, it's from French, so it's silent. The French like to do this. Mean is how you say it. You could spell it M-I-N, mean, a short E sound. Mean is how you say it. Mean. It's easy. English pronunciation, mean, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.